Greetings, Avsheni. Welcome to EPCSA Online Podcast. We welcome you to our new show. This show, Mama Kweru, the name of the show is Word on Friday. Leswi vulaku ku ri each and every Friday ta va hi kha hi mi tisela mahungu lamanene kumbe rito ra Xikwembu. Maybe let me just go back to the purpose of this show. And you remember in Presbyterianism, we have what we call sola scriptura, which means that we are saying at the end of the day, the authority in our Christian life should be the Bible. Say, I'm Kael Bamakwero, I got the new show. This is your home for Bible studies. This is your home for sermons. This is your home also for religious topics. Leswi vula ku ri hi ta va hi kha hi share rito ra Xikwembu, hi rhamba na vafundhisi van'wana va hina leswaku va ta share rito ra Xikwembu. Now listen, my name is Reverend Rudzani Silapiane, and I will be your host for this show. Now let me talk about the greeting that the angel comes with. This angel, Mamakweru, they say it comes with a greeting, a new greeting, 6 months after it announces the birth of John the Baptist. Maybe to some of us, 6 months is a lot. Maybe to some of us, 6 months, at this point in time, I know when someone closer to you a succeed, and then you have 6 months when you succeed, and I know you are sitting right there thinking, hey, Mfundisi, I've been clapping hands for other people. I've been clapping hands for so many years now. I've been clapping hands for so many months now. And then utangari wena shawana ekubhama boko. But the message today is that on this beautiful Friday, the question, the answer to you I'm going to give, the angel is going to appear. With everything that you've been through, with everything that you're still going through, and with everything that you're still going to go through, God is with you. This greeting is to say, hikusha kubona kambe xa swi tiva ku hlangana na yini nakona xi na wena.